What's up, everybody? It's EJ. Listen, we all dream of becoming financially free, right? Imagine a life where you wake up on a yacht in the Mediterranean, having breakfast prepared by your personal chef. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Well, that dream isn't as far-fetched as you might think. The key? Smart investments, specifically within your Roth IRA. Now, I'm not saying this is some get-rich-quick scheme. Building wealth takes time, discipline, and a solid strategy. But by investing consistently in the right assets, you can set yourself up for a future where financial worries are a thing of the past. In this video, I'm going to break down the 5 best investments you can make in your Roth IRA right now. We're talking about assets that have the potential to generate serious wealth over the long term. So buckle up, grab your notepad, and let's dive into the world of Roth IRA investing. The Roth IRA is a game changer for young investors. Your money grows tax-free, and you won't owe Uncle Sam a dime when you retire. Earned income qualifies you to contribute with limits of $6,500 per year or $7,500 if you're 50 or older. Start early, and you could have a 7-figure nest egg by retirement. The Roth IRA offers flexibility with a wide range of investment options. Open a Roth IRA today. It's one of the smartest financial moves you can make. Now let's get into those 5 killer investments. First up on our list are Vanguard Funds, and for a good reason. These guys are like the rock stars of the investing world, known for their low fees and long-term performance. When it comes to investing, fees are the silent killer of your returns. Every dollar you pay in fees is a dollar that's not working for you. That's where Vanguard shines. They're famous for their low-cost index funds, which track broad market indexes like the S&P 500. Index funds are like investing in the entire stock market with just one purchase. You're essentially buying a tiny piece of hundreds of different companies, which helps spread your risk. One of my favorite Vanguard funds for a Roth IRA is the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund, VTSAX. This bad boy gives you exposure to the entire US stock market, from big-name companies to smaller, up-and-coming businesses. Another solid option is the Vanguard S&P 500 Index Fund, VFIAX. This fund tracks the performance of the S&P 500, which is widely considered the benchmark for the US stock market. The key takeaway here is that Vanguard funds offer a simple, low-cost way to invest in the broad market and participate in its long-term growth potential. They're a fantastic foundation for any well-diversified Roth IRA portfolio. Now, if you're looking for more targeted growth, particularly in the tech sector, then you need to check out the Invesco QQQ Trust, QQQ. This ETF tracks the performance of the NASDAQ 100 index, which is heavily weighted towards tech giants like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. Think about it. These companies are at the forefront of innovation, constantly disrupting industries and shaping the future. Investing in QQQ is like owning a piece of that innovation. Over the past decade, the tech sector has absolutely exploded, and QQQ has been along for the ride. This ETF has consistently outperformed the broader market, delivering impressive returns for investors. Now keep in mind that QQQ is more volatile than a broad market index fund like VTSAX. That means you might see bigger swings in value, especially in the short term. But remember, we're talking about long-term investing here, and over the long haul, the tech sector is expected to continue its growth trajectory. If you're comfortable with a bit more risk, QQQ could be a powerful engine for your Roth IRA portfolio. Next up, we have the Spider S&P 500 ETF Trust, or SPY, another excellent option for your Roth IRA. SPY is one of the most popular ETFs in the world, and for good reason. This ETF tracks the S&P 500 index, which, as we discussed earlier, is considered the benchmark for the US stock market. Investing in SPY is like buying a tiny slice of the 500 largest publicly traded companies in America. What I love about SPY is its simplicity. It's a straightforward way to get broad exposure to the US stock market without having to pick and choose individual stocks. It's like having a team of expert stock pickers working for you, but at a fraction of the cost. SPY is also incredibly liquid, meaning you can easily buy and sell shares without significantly impacting the price. This liquidity is essential, especially if you need to access your money quickly. Over the long term, SPY has a proven track record of delivering solid returns. While it may not be as flashy as QQQ, it's a reliable workhorse that can help you build wealth steadily and consistently. If you're looking for a set-it-and-forget-it investment for your Roth IRA, SPY is a fantastic choice. Last but not least, we have the iShares Russell 2000 ETF, or IWM. This ETF focuses on small-cap stocks, which are companies with a market capitalization of less than $2 billion. Now you might be thinking, why small-cap stocks? Well, historically, small-cap stocks have the potential to outperform large-cap stocks over the long term. That's because smaller companies often have more room to grow and expand. Think about it, a company like Apple is already massive. It's going to take a lot to move the needle significantly. But a smaller, lesser-known company has the potential to double or even triple in size in a shorter period. Of course, with higher potential returns comes higher risk. Small-cap stocks tend to be more volatile than their large-cap counterparts. They're also more susceptible to economic downturns. However, by including IWM in your Roth IRA, you're adding an element of growth potential that can supercharge your returns over the long run. Remember, diversification is key. By combining IWM with other investments like VDSAX, QQQ, or SPY, you're creating a well-rounded portfolio that can weather different market conditions. Now I know what you're thinking. What about crypto? It's on everyone's minds these days, and for good reason. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have generated insane returns, turning early investors into millionaires, even overnight. But here's the thing about crypto, it's still the Wild West out there. The market is incredibly volatile, with prices swinging wildly up and down. It's like riding a roller coaster with no seatbelt. While the potential for massive gains is there, so is the potential for massive losses. We've seen Bitcoin lose over 80% of its value in the past, and there's no guarantee it won't happen again. So, should you include crypto in your Roth IRA? That's a personal decision, and it depends on your risk tolerance. If you're comfortable with the volatility and understand the risks involved, then a small allocation to crypto could make sense. However, I wouldn't recommend putting your entire Roth IRA into crypto, or even a significant portion of it. It's simply too risky, especially for a long-term investment vehicle like a Roth IRA. If you're set on investing in crypto, make sure to do your research, invest only what you can afford to lose, and be prepared for a bumpy ride. So, there you have it, the 5 best investments for your Roth IRA. Remember, building wealth takes time, discipline, and a solid strategy. By investing consistently in these assets, you can set yourself up for a future of financial freedom. Consider these investments as potential building blocks for your Roth IRA. Whether you're just starting out or already have a portfolio, these options offer diversification and long-term growth potential. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos on how to crush your financial goals. Until next time, stay informed, stay invested, and keep building that wealth.